Sure looks like it.
What's that?
Dan has an Asym now, she said.
Dan what?
Seeker.
Yeah.
Did they not before?
I don't remember him having any more than 2 Well, when I sailed with him, we were serving.
Oh, sure. So it didn't matter.
Oh, is there another shallow water buoy? No.
No, I don't think so. I see one at 12:30.
I see that one too.
I don't see any other ones.
Okay. I'm going to turn down slightly.
It almost looks like everybody's going around something else. But I think that one at 12:30 is right. I really don't see anything else. Okay. We would see it in front of the boats.
Okay, yeah. Heat up a little bit here just to get more.
The way this spin flies is really fun.
What's that?
This spin is just fun to fly.
Oh, yeah. It makes you wonder why they ever thought of symmetrical before this. Are we ready to jive with our other sheet?
Yeah, I checked it before. I should probably check it again.
It's over everything.
Yeah, it seems
the way the hatch.
It does seem to be over everything.
Okay.
There's no way it's by the hatch. So
okay, good. Okay, good.
I think we're good. I'll check it real quick before we go, but I think it's good.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually no, it's good.
Waves on the beam.
Yeah, it seems to run fine.
Pressure here. We got better waters, lighter breeze up there, better pressure here. Just over one in it, just over one in it. There we go. Put it back out to my corner. Nice shaft of breeze here, we're running right down the edge of it. Okay. Cyclone was able to jive. We're not going to jive yet. We're going to go another minute here in this angle.
Yeah, I suppose if you jive too early, we're gonna have to go again.
Yeah.
If you time it right, we might be able to just shoot the gap.
Right. Or like we said, we'll go wing on it.
Yeah. Okay. Is that what you want to try to do now, or you want to jive?
We're gonna jive.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. We're gonna jive. I'm gonna turn down a little bit. So we got a little bit more pressure. It seems like a rotating on the boat.
I know.
It's just light.
Well, we could give it more tack line if you want.
Right there. Yeah, no, that's good. It's just,
all right.
Yeah, that's kind of what we
yeah.
That shape right there. Yeah.
Sue and Don are.
Good question. Okay, let's get ready to jive.
Yeah, you'll hold that, and then as soon as I
Oh, right, that's right.
start pulling,
yeah.
you'll go for it.
I'll let it go.
Right.
I'm good at letting
Just as soon as we're dead down. Or
Okay, here's a turn the dead down.
go ahead
Okay,
now.
go ahead. Yeah, easy.
Now.
Perfect. Nice jive, everybody. Nice jive.
Gimme.
Okay, let it fill up over there. Easy. Nice angle.
Yeah, that was good.
Well done.
And much better than last week.
Trim.
Yeah, I can't really see it.
I know I should have asked you to look at
Yeah.
the telltale sooner. Like I thought I could see.
This is hard to know. When it's not there, you can't really tell it's not there if you can't see it right.